Hi everyone, welcome to another video. We're here in Tennessee, Knoxville, Ijams Natural Central Park. It's called Natural Park, stuff like that. So, I'm just out here exploring Knoxville for my first time. This natural park, and here's the area. And it's very well, looks like Bigfoot structure, but it's very old people made them. Look at this. See how big it is? It's where people sit here and talk these stories. Look like how big it is. It's really old. It's been there for a long time. It's just natural park. Yeah. It's close to Tennessee, Knoxville, near cities, but I'm just out here doing hiking, exploring. So, if y'all want to come out here in Tennessee, Knoxville, come see this place. It seems fun. But I'll see you next thing. See if I can find anything else. Okay, we just got right here. We found this big metal concrete, and here's big river lake. So what I'm seeing on this tree right here, see this? It could shape a mushroom. That's cool. And here's a huge giant metal solid. This is abandoned. The people weren't on the other side. So, I smelled it. You smell everything from that. Yeah. I'm gonna continue to looking for more. I just ended up to road. And I found this trail right here. And it looks a perfect place to walk. It's a little bit spooky for hiking that area. Let's check it out. See this? How view. Look how beautiful big rocks. It's a beautiful place for cave. See how the view is? Yeah. See the big view. Yeah. Hi. Here's big moss on it. I'll say it's probably about 1,000 years old. It feels like upstairs. There's holes right here. You know what that means? That means somebody usually have fence on it, keep the rocks from falling. It's a long walk. Here's the stairways. There's more trail up here. Here's some tracks. I'll say this is just a dog. People breed out here, breed dogs from walking. Yeah. Alright. So this one. You see this how this looking? That stuff like that. The thing I read the book for Sasquatch Bigfoot. This big thing right here. It could be look like Bigfoot nest. Like Bigfoot nest bed, they sleep on it. but not here. But that's looks similar, bigger like that. Just like that. Well, some people told me about this book. Some people call it Ohio Grassman. Yeah. It's a little amazing place to explore. Some guy in my hair. I thought it was a spider. Some tracks. Hi. I'll see you next time when we find something else. Alright, everyone. It's been long. Which is exploring. Let me show you what we found. Basically, it's a lot of people. This is basically a lot of people. And what's the thing? Anything right here. What can I go wrong? Oh, look. See this show. Talking right there. Alright, everyone, we're back. We went inside the gift shop because we were trying to find the bridge. It's called the River Trail Bridge, I think. And I bought something for gift shop. I'll show you later the thing I bought. Anything in the video. Right now we're here, almost going to the downhill. Like how big steep hill is. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the camera around, and there's a bridge. I'm gonna show you that big circle hole hollow. You know what I'm thinking that is? You know what I'm thinking about this tree? That should be my toilet. It's like a toilet. That's a toilet tree, I'll say that. Okay, there's big old dead tree lay on the ground. Alright, so bar closed for preparers. Well, I'll say it's already prepared. It's still holding good, but I can feel it shaking. There's an animal store up there. That's my little best. But there's a big tree broken. It's almost like a Bigfoot side, but it's not. That's a storm. Yeah, a storm. We'll see when we get to the bridge. Walking this trail right here, and we just took a look at very quick. That big river thing, it's way bigger. That's easy slippery for people walk down here. See this? Boop, 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 boop. Slide right in the water. See how much slide? You can easily just slide right in the river. Yeah. Okay, let's go back on the trail. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for a second and I found something. That's a big old tree. See how big the tree is? It's all formed together. Probably it's just one. See how big around? How it grows together. That's probably 200 years ago. 200 years old tree. I don't know how old is this. My arm. How old is this? But I want you guys comment down below. Tell me, how old is this tree, do you think? Alright. We found the bridge we was looking for. Right here. That bridge. It's a small side of a river trail. Let's see what it looks like. See how it is? It looks brand new, won't be restored, huh? Well, it kind of sounds scary, huh? You're walking along top of a river. Closer to that, I think. Look at that view. Yeah. I remember just shot rock to boys, see ya? That sounds scary, huh? Hi. I was sitting in the shack, I turned camera and setting. Well, I was using my other phone with camera with Snapchat video, and the boat just passed by. So, look at this bridge, good view. I would just take a picture and do a different video. Look how view is. Alright, right now we're seeing stuff here, huh? River Boardwalk. That is the cave right there. Look at the caves right here somewhere. Oh, crappy. That's scary. They're walking on the top of a river with a bridge. Look, it's shaking. The bridge is shaking. I'm not sure we make a hold, but it sounds scary. The bridge shaking. That's scary. Oh, like this crap. Okay, I'm gonna say on the bridge, it's scary. That's a lot. It's scary. I can't swim. I'll drown. Oh. That's scary. That's scary. Okay. 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 That's scary. I didn't want to get thrown. This be rock and roll. Here's a chair. Probably a couple miles. There could be a cave somewhere. And here's a big concert ball. Oh yeah. Bus. Yeah. And there's big ground. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make the view for my thumbnail now. Just about that. Yeah. Just for my thumbnail for my YouTube. Alright, well, that's awesome. I'll see you next game in my 5K. Alright, we found the bridge. Here's huge rock wall. Too big game. Look at this. It's metal. You see this shape? I believe that could be gold miners to find some mining stuff in the cave. That's awesome. This is great history. You can tell the man was really old. I'll be holding this camera down. See how it views. But I got a flashlight so we can see what's in it. Let's check it out. Hold on. Try to get a flashlight in my pocket. Go on, come on. Okay, we can see what's in it. Nah, it's just a bunch of rocks. Okay, let's just look on other big cave. Ooh, look how big that is. Look what's up here. It's keeping from people out. I believe there's something at that big cave. Look how big it is. See ya? There's an entrance inside the cave. There's something in there, I believe. Or maybe a creature could be living inside there. Or maybe there'll be locked inside that cave. Who knows? Ah, man, it's almost crossed my arm. That spider. Creepy crap. It's creepy. So, right here, some people throw their names. Crazy humans, crazy people, more wild and environmental habits. It could be something there, I believe. I'll see you next time. I'm going to use my other phone to take a picture of myself. Okay, my bad. We just got away from the cave. There's full water shaking. So we were trying hard up. There were people coming behind us. Also, there's some person walking the water. I'll say Mermaid Master. Cool name. Ooh, okay, here's the rock view. Yeah. This amazing rock view. Let's take a picture of myself. Here's some big plants falling. Now we're heading on the bridge. So, what's the view? They said I should get off the bridge. Yeah, I found something on the tree. A baby toy doll. It's weird and creepy. It's probably somebody trying to offer to spirit to the forest. I think it could be paranormal, like ghost hunting stuff. Yeah. Yeah, there's still more places exploring. Okay, there's upstairs a view of cave. Hold on. Wow. This is the entrance. Sounds like a mounted door. Or people trying to come me up. What's in this thing? Hi, we're back. It's been long hiking, walking, and it's crazy. It's fun. It's awesome. A lot of stuff. The Tennessee Knoxville Park. If you want to come out here in National Park, just come out here and check it out. If you want to go see it around here, it was awesome. Get tired of walking. So, if you guys are new here, just subscribe. And what do you think about this video? What I showed you? Comment down below. And stay brave, stay wild, keep on believing. See you next video.